Guys, check out the quality of these Sunvisors today. They have all completely degraded and has become wafer thin. I've noticed that the quality of Sunvisors that Maruti gives in its cars is pretty poor compared to Hyundai, Volkswagen. Check this out. It's all completely gone and the cushion inside is all disintegrated. It's become puffy. I also realized that buying a replacement set from MJP is also pointless because there's no cushion inside. So what we'll do is we'll remove these Sunvisors for now and give it to a local upholsterer shop and guide him on how to go about removing the whole thing, because there's going to be a metal frame inside and we are just going to have to remove them and remove the complete outer layer and reupholster them. So both the Sunvisors have been removed. I'll give it to a local upholsterer and see what best he can do. Guys, so we have these Sunvisors which were reupholstered by one of the local upholsterers. He did a decent job. You can see that it's stitched here. What he did was he kept a good cardboard inside, bent it and kept some cushions. So there's a good amount of padding. But the work isn't perfect if you ask me, because of all these stitches and the kind of bending he has done. But if you were to ask me to retain the same Sunvisors on the Zen, I couldn't have done a better job because I couldn't get a replacement. And even if I were to get a replacement, the replacement visors would also be the flimsy type. So we'll install this on the car. We got the headliner cleaned last time, you can see here, and time to replace the Sunvisors, and we'll also replace these aged discolored Sunvisor holders. I also have the replacements for that, so let's do this. Old Sunvisor holder and the new one, quite discolored. So that completes both the jobs. Okay, so let's take a look at the only part that has been bought from outside. This is a Sunvisor holder replacement. And this is a parts diagram that shows the visors and the visor holders. Thank you so much, guys.